feel like I've learned so much already. I just love being in this environment. It's full of passionate, driven, ambitious people. You know, so many people in here still waiting to check out the new beautiful Tritons. And this here is another beautiful white new Triton. This one I can tell looks very durable, very well equipped for work. But as I already told you, new Tritons are very suitable for both work and hobbies. And what I'm about to show you next is a lineup of customized Tritons. You can customize your Tritons in so many different ways according to your lifestyle. So we're gonna keep going. And here we are. Let's check this beautiful gray Triton with me. So again, welcome to the Lifestyle Zone. Oh, hi, hello.
You like it?
I love it.
Hi, this is a new racing spirit design.
This is a very beautiful car.
Thank you.
I was wondering, what is your favorite? Follow me here a little.
All right.
Yes.
My favorite part is the overall design of the accessory here.
Overall design.
Yeah,
Could you tell us more about that?
Yes, of course. I do love the accent gold lines here, which is connected with the Mitsubishi Golden Era that's come. And also, this creates a new norm for sporty pickup truck. And from the sophisticated exterior design, it goes together well with the sleek air dam accessory here. And we trying to encourage and inspire people to pimp up their all-new Triton.
Yeah, there's so many ways to customize your Triton. Thank you so much. Thank you. Follow me. We've still got so many places to explore together. Ooh, check out this. A tent on top of the Triton. Man, I feel like I could really hop on there and just camp up there by myself or whoever. And ooh, another beautiful one right here. Come check this out. We are still in the lifestyle zone where we encourage you to customize your Triton to fit your lifestyle. Alrighty, and we are at the last Triton of the lifestyle zone. Oh, hi there.
Isn't it exciting?
It is so exciting and having so much fun.
Yeah, it's actually, this car is like ready for the work and play lifestyle actually. And of course, the favorite for this car is the exciting adventures await. Yeah.
Exciting adventures await. I like that. Could you tell us more about that?
Yeah, sure. With its robust design and also powerful engine and also the comfort, this car can provide everything that matches with your lifestyle. Like let me show you at the back. With this the decoration, we can enjoy decorating, creating the vehicle that represents yourself, and of course, the usage has to be smoothly matched with your life as well. Yeah.
Wow. This one seems very suitable for work, for fun, for hobbies, for adventure. Thank you so much for sharing with us. Thank you. Bye.
Drive your ambition. Mitsubishi Motors.